Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to manage the security permissions in your device. Of course, I mean the Motorola Moto G17 Power. If you open the settings and go to the app list, you can see that here we have many apps on our device. So how to actually manage our permissions in our device for every single application? It's actually easy because we need to at first go to the Security and Privacy tab, scroll down to the Privacy Controls, and open the Permission Manager. As you can see here, if you've got any permission that we just may think of, like for example body sensors, calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, files, Health Connect, etc. And for example, if I open phone, I can see what applications have this permission to phone. As you can see, Android Auto, Android System Intelligence, Contacts, Google Play Store, everything. To grant this permission, just tap and tap Don't Allow. Here, Don't Allow. Don't Allow anyway. Here, we have not allowed applications, and if I want, for example, grant this permission for Gmail, I need to tap and set Allow. And the same works as is mentioned in the title. The location, for example here, location, microphone, and the camera, which is here. We have a few distinguishes. I think I can say this. In the location, for example, microphone, because as you can see, if I tap on application, I can see allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Apart from that, here you've got use precise location. You can disable it or enable it. And the same as with the microphone, but of course not precise location, but we have here the only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.